Advisory, a Category 4 monster hurricane right now, winds of 130 miles per hour. Just a few hours away now from landfall, still expected to be in that Big Bend area of Florida. A couple changes with the latest advisory. Look at the hurricane warnings now crossing through Georgia and into South Carolina. Charleston with the tropical storm warnings, but those warnings, tropical storm warnings, go all the way up to the Outer Banks. So this is going to be, obviously, once it moves inland, still continuing to be a big story. So the storms for us right now, nothing severe, but it's heavy rain in Pike and Sullivan County, beginning to move into northwestern New Jersey as well in another hour or so. We'll be tracking this through about 9 a.m. as it moves through the entire area. It's quick, so as you plan your morning, keep in mind you may need that umbrella and maybe a few extra minutes on the roadways. Later on today, we're in much better shape. The sun comes out by 4 p.m., 83 degrees, a great evening. That humidity starts to come down as well. Still near 80 degrees at dinner time. All right, let's check out that morning commute. No rain in the city just yet, but we have plenty of issues to keep in mind, though.
Yes, we are happy about
this hour or so through the city and southward, fizzling out just a little bit, so a little more impactful for the Hudson Valley and Connecticut through the next few hours. Once we get that front to clear later this morning, you see all of the sunshine. By 4 p.m., 83 degrees, a little bit of a breeze, and that humidity starts to come down, so really nice, pleasant evening into the low 70s through 10 o'clock. All right, let's get to Adele and get you out the door, too. A lot going on and some leftovers from yesterday.
Yeah, we're definitely still dealing with the impact.
30 miles per hour. We'll get an interim update if it makes landfall, but the next full one comes at 8 a.m. Moving very quickly to the northeast. Let's zoom down. The eye is collapsing a little bit as we have some land interaction, but you can see how close it is. Those hurricane force winds extend out about 25 miles, so it's rather small, and then those tropical storm winds extend out about 175 miles. And you can see the red boxes here. That tornado threat, which is pretty common with landfalling tropical systems. None of that for us here. We don't have the severe threat, but I'm watching this band, this line of showers and thunderstorms coming through Ulster County and also pushing through Orange County right now. So heads up from Blooming Grove into Monroe. Heavy rainfall and that quick burst of wind. Tracking that over the next, say, 2 hours or so. Some of that clipping the city in that 8 a.m. time period. Once we get past that, so by midday, we'll start to work in that drier air. So short term, some of those showers and storms may catch up with you. It's pretty quick. By later on tonight, beautiful. Humidity comes down, skies start to clear a bit, and we'll be dipping down into the 60s. All right, let's get you out the door, too, on this Wednesday with Adele and advice on what we need to navigate around. What's going on?
Well, we've got a few things going on. Couple